die! Kueng flutes!
I realized I might be the only person in America to have these two particular Kueng flutes, and so I thought I would do a review in a nice, dry, no reverb room, playing back to back to you so you can see what the difference is. This one's one of my famous NFT Kueng Superio olive wood. This one is a Kueng Marsyas Grenadilla, both sopranos. And when I ordered, I had no idea Marsyas was considered to be even higher than the Superio, as the name sounds, but until you find out that Marsyas was the Greek god of music. Going to play a couple excerpts from my play-along Gleeful Day. Breaking news, I got someone who's going to transcribe the music so you can play it on screen. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to get the camera as close to my fingers so you can see the different parts of it and watch it on half X on YouTube. Octave down. Starting out with the Marsyas. See if we get articulation and volume on the low notes and do a jam hitting a high D too.